everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make Doritos taco bake. Let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 1 pound of either ground beef, turkey, or chicken, whatever you prefer. I've already browned this, crumbled it, and drained the fat. Then you're going to need 1 package of taco seasoning and a 1/2 cup of water, 2 cans of crescent rolls, 1 cup of sour cream, 1 cup of shredded cheese, whatever you want to use. I like this Mexican. Then you're going to need 3 cups of crushed Doritos. This is just a 9 3/4 ounce bag. I'm just going to crush that up. Then you need 1 cup of salsa. Again, whatever kind you like. And then 1/4 cup of melted butter. So that's 4 tablespoons. So let's go ahead and get started. Spray a 9 by 13 baking dish with cooking spray and preheat your oven to 400 and go ahead and get started on crumbling and browning your meat. Okay, after your meat is browned and crumbled and drained, add your 1/2 cup of water and your taco seasoning sauce and just go ahead and mix that together and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Alright, that is nice and mixed together, so we are just going to let that simmer, like I said, for about 5 minutes so it can thicken up. So next you want to go ahead and open up your crescent rolls, and we're going to line the bottom and the sides of our 9 by 13 baking dish. Okay, that looks pretty good to me. It does not have to be perfect. You just want to make sure you run it up the sides, along the edges, and make sure all of these little seams are pressed together so it doesn't go through there. But like I said, it does not have to be perfect. That looks fine. So next we are going to crush up our Doritos, and we're going to sprinkle about 1 1/2 cups of the Doritos right onto your crescent rolls. Alright, that looks good to me. I just basically opened up my Doritos on one end and then just crunched them all with my fingers. And I had used about 1/2 of the bag, and then I'll use the other 1/2. So I'm not sure if it's really 3 cups that I use total. Again, you can use whatever you want. And you can try different flavors of Doritos too. If you want to try to use maybe Cool Ranch, that might be good. I might have to try that. Alright, my taco mixture is ready to go, so I am going to pour that over top of my crushed Doritos. Alright, that looks pretty spread out. So next we are going to take our 1 cup of sour cream and our 1 cup of salsa and just mix that together in a bowl. Okay, that looks pretty mixed together. Next I am going to just evenly spread that over top of my ground beef layer. Alright, that is nice and evenly spread. So next we are going to add about 1 cup of our Mexican style cheese. So that's about 1/2 of this bag. Okay, now we are going to add the rest of the crushed Doritos on top. Alright, all my Doritos are on top. And next we are going to put our butter in a microwavable bowl and just melt that and pour it on top of the Doritos. Alright, my butter is drizzled on top. So now we're going to stick this in the oven for 20 minutes. Okay, I still have 6 minutes left, and some of my Doritos and my edges are getting kind of crispy looking, so I'm going to cover mine with foil, so just be sure you check on yours. Now that I have a light foil tent over mine, I'm going to cook it for an additional 5 minutes, just to be sure that it's completely done. Alright, this is out of the oven, and it smells delicious. I'm going to let it go ahead and sit for at least about 10 minutes before I cut into it, and then we'll see what Taste Tester thinks. Alright, we cut this nice piece for Taste Tester. It should be nice and cool. Alright, Taste Tester, have a little taste.
Okay. Yum. Yummy.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.